All right, good morning, everybody. We are now on Thursday, one of my best trading days. I love Thursdays, one of my favorite trading days of the week. Only thing I have right now is we're coming in long on a gold, We'll give you that target here in just a second. All right, that gold long is coming in at, let's see, entry was at 1852, and we're looking at an 1855 for a target on gold. 1855. That is going to be our profit target. And if we need to reverse and we don't hit target, I'm going to reverse at 1846. Okay, so let's briefly go over what we're going to be looking at today. If you look up over here in the top right-hand corner, we're going to be watching some indices, some commodities, and some forex currencies. So starting off with the indices, we'll be watching ES, which is going to be your mini S&P 500. We have your RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell, YM, which is going to be your mini Dow, and NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ. On the future side, we're going to be looking at gold, GC, SI for silver, CL for crude oil, and NG for natural gas, and BTC for Bitcoin. And then on our forex pairs, we're going to be looking at Aussie US, Euro US, and the US yen. On the forex pairs, we're going to be looking for one of 5 different patterns that we'll set up that we teach in our core package. And then and those trades last no more than 5 minutes. And then on the indices and on the futures, we're going to be using Einstein. Einstein provides us with a entry point, a profit target, and or reversal. So if we don't hit our profit, reverse our position, and then we have a new target on the other side, on the upside or downside, whichever way we're reversing. All right, so the only thing coming out of the gate is a long gold right now. Gold hit about 15 minutes ago for a buy, looking for a target of 1855. Right now, I don't see anything setting up for the indices. Let's see, on the currencies, we are in a short on the Euro US, but it is running late here, so let that go. All right, while we're waiting for setup here, why don't let's take a look at our overnight positions. So coming in with our overnight positions, what it is these trades are placed on the prior night, and they will exit today at a predetermined time. These are going to be what we call HF2 patterns, HF2s. So on the gold, we're coming in long on the gold, and we're coming in long on the US 500, coming in long on the US Tech, long on Wall Street 30, and we are short on the natural gas. coming in long on the Aussie US and also long on the Euro US. All right, so far pretty quiet this morning. I have nothing on the indices right now. They're all coming down. Long on the gold, nothing on crude, nothing on natural gas. Bitcoin actually is in a short, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin's a short. Let's see, target on Bitcoin's going to bring us down to 296.50, 296.50. And if we need to reverse, Bitcoin is going to reverse at 37.75, 37.75. So those on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining us this morning. As always, we appreciate you being here. The idea here is for the next hour is we're going to demonstrate our approach to trading. It is unique. Nobody trades like this. It's something I developed over 30 years ago. It's based on very specific what I call behavioral patterns. Behavioral patterns are different from your traditional pattern. It's not a classical pattern like a Head and Shoulders or flags, pennants, those types of things. Also, it's not candlestick patterns, so we're not looking at candlestick patterns. We use no indicators. Everything is based off of behavior. The idea is behavior is predictable. So these patterns are universal, meaning that I can, if I'm going to use the same patterns that on the indices, I'm going to use the same patterns on the commodities. I'm using the same patterns on Forex. And I can also use the same patterns on stocks. So right now, the only thing we have on is we're long a gold. And Bitcoin does have a short. All right, we're looking for a short coming up over here on this US yen. US yen. All right, no, let's see here. On the US yen short, let's take a look here. Going to take an 87 short, 13387 short. So yen short at 133.87. We'll hold this trade no longer than about 4 minutes. Nice, John. You're doing well. Good job. Yeah, about 45 seconds to go. Still short on the US yen, the 133.87. Looks like the yen is reversing. Still short at 133.87. We got a second to go. That's at 88.4. That's going to be a loser on that US yen. Still short the gold. I'm sorry, still long the gold. We are getting a short now on the silver. Okay, silvers are short. Anything above 21.91. Target on that's going to bring you down to 2178 and a half. 2178 and a half. If we need the reverse on the silver, it's going to reverse at, let's see here, 2216. All right, still have about a little bit more than 10 minutes to go here before the Dow opens up. Looks like we're going to get a quiet to lower opening on the Dow. Okay, now we're getting a buy on the yen, a buy on the US yen, 133.85. Getting a 133.85 buy on the US yen. That's going to be a PAP setup for a buy. PAP setup for a buy. Still long gold, short silver. Long US yen, 133. 133.85, still long. We'll exit here in about 4 minutes. Okay, still long the US yen. Got an exit here in about 10 seconds. Still long the 85. Right now it's very strong. It's up to 99. Looks like this is gonna be, yeah, that's gonna be a winner. Still long gold, short silver. Bitcoin is still in a short if you're trading Bitcoin. All right, once again, I'm going to put the symbols up here for you so you can see what the symbols are. So we're watching the currencies, we're watching some indices, watching some commodities. The only thing I have on right now, I do have a long gold. Looks like we're in a short silver, and Bitcoin is in a short. Nothing on the currencies right now. We did just get out of a long U.S. yen. All right, Dow just opened. I'm down to 101. Watching for a potential buy coming up on natural gas. Dow's down 152. Okay, getting a buy on the ES, getting a buy on the YM. Okay, target on the ES is going to bring us up to 4109.75. 4109.75. That is going to be our profit target. And if I need to reverse, I'm going to reverse at 4091. YM couldn't get to it fast enough. YM already hit target. Still long gold, short silver. Looking for, actually, we're seeing a lot of stocks showing we're going to have an update today, so we'll see. But it looks like the Dow's going to be actually up, is what I'm seeing. So we shall see. See what the Dow's doing here. Dow is now down 75. So still long ES, which is your E-mini S&P. Not getting anything on the mini Russell, not getting anything on the mini NASDAQ at this point. Though mini NASDAQ is trying to create a buy here. Wow, John, you're killing it. Good job, buddy. Good morning to you, Glenn. How are you, buddy? Morning, Terrence. Morning, Yolanda. And morning, Barbara. There we go. I think y'all see the symbols a little bit better there. I don't know why they did that. All right, still long ES. May end up getting a short now on YM. Long gold, short silver. Natural gas is really trying to create a buy-in here. Watching YM. Okay, YM just created HF2 short on YM. Target on YM is going to bring you down to 327.13. $327.13, and if you need to reverse, it would reverse at 328.63. Okay, so mini Dow is short, even the S&P is long. Gold is still long, short silver approaching target. 2178.5 is going to be that target on the silver. Watching for a potential short on the US yen, potential buy coming up on Euro US if this holds.
Reverse sell.
Okay, ES just reversed and went short. ES just reversed and went short. That's the US 500. Okay, that's going to bring us down to, let's see here, 4084.75, 4084.75. And if we need the reverse this time, it's going to be at 4103.5.
Profit target.
Silver just hit target. Silver just hit its target. Okay, we reversed and we are now short on the S&P 500, short on the mini Dow. Still long gold. Still short Bitcoin. Oh, nice. North Dakota. It's pretty up there. I've been up there. All right, still short ES&P 500, still short the mini Dow. Let's see what the Dow's doing. Dow's down 163. Interesting. I'm showing a bias to the upside today on the Dow, so we'll see what happens. Get a lot of more stocks looking for buys today than shorts. Still short the mini Dow, trying to get the target. Yes, still short, trying to get the target. Gold is pretty quiet. It's still in a buy position. Still long. Bitcoin is short. Okay, looks like we are now getting a short on this yen, US yen. Okay, gonna make that a 133.75 short. US yen, 133.75 short. If this holds, I do want to take this second short on the US yen. That's going to be a real strong setup. That's one of our double patterns that we like. Remember, if you reverse on any of these positions, wait for an
Reverse
HF2.
buy.
ES just reverse. Still waiting for an HF2. But that is a HF1 buy. Still short mini down. RTY getting close to a buy. NQ getting close to a buy. I'll go ahead and I'll give you that target on that ES. Target on ES is going to be 4109.75. Reversal on the ES is going to bring you down to 40.91 again. 40.91. 40.91.
Reverse by.
Okay, it looks like YM reversed, but we are getting a new buy on the NQ and R2Y. I like the R2Y. R2Y is a buy.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on ES. Target on R2Y. That's going to bring you up to 1879. Target on NQ is already getting close. Target on NQ is going to bring you up to 126.45. And target on YM already hit target, so out of the YM. Okay, long R2Y, which is your mini Russell. If we don't hit target, that reversal is going to be 1864.
Profit target hit.
Okay, let's see here. Mini NASDAQ just hit target. Target on R2Y still holds at 1879. So we're still long R2Y, which is going to be your mini Russell. Still long gold. Already exited silver, hit target. Getting a short on the US yen, getting a short on the US yen. Never mind, it already completed. Couldn't get to the yen fast enough. Sorry about that. So the only thing that we have running still is the mini Russell is still long. Gold is long. Bitcoin is short. All right, almost to the top of the hour here, about another 2 to 3 minutes. Still holding long on our mini Russell, holding long on our gold, short on Bitcoin. So we just have a few minutes to go here before we end the free live broadcast. Once again, any members of Binary Pro Strategies continue to stay in. We're going to continue on with our calls. Those on YouTube and Facebook, if you like more information, plenty of educational material out on my YouTube channel, Binary Pro Strategies. Or if you need to get a hold of me and have questions, binaryprostrategies.com is my website. Also, make sure there is a webinar right now that you can sign up for. If you go to the website, binaryprostrategies.com, it gives a lot more in-depth on my core strategy. We call it the core strategy. Looks like the Shiro and Aussie want to start popping up and coming up higher. All right, well, still long the mini Russell. Let's see what the Dow's doing. Dow's up 41. As I mentioned, we are looking for an update. Getting a lot of stocks that are in a buy position today. And our overnight trades are coming in long. We'll double check those one more time for our daily setups. Interesting. Yeah, we're coming in long gold, US 500, US Tech, Wall Street 30, all coming in long, short on the gas. All right, we're at the top of the hour. YouTube, Facebook, thank you so much for joining us. Please make sure that you subscribe. That helps me with my channel. Also, if you'd like to keep notified of any new videos, make sure that you hit that notification bell. Give me the thumbs up. Let me know you like my this morning show. And until tomorrow, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you first thing Friday morning. Take care.